Hi there, this is our Kwangchow lathe. It's a decent sized lathe, it's got the quick change on it and digital readout. Someone's made a really good job of fitting that digital readout as well. It's come ex-university. Someone's ran a neutral to it and put a few safety control features on the lathe. One of them is this wee control down here. I assume it's to double check that it's in neutral, operating a switch there. And it's got the chuck guard which has to be down to run the lathe, etc. But I could imagine someone's made a really good job of the back too, with all the sliding mechanism for those cables, and yeah, they have made a really nice job. So it's a super tidy lathe. The digital readout's working really well. It's got the chuck guard, the halogen light, the coolant system. I haven't put fluid in it, but the coolant pump's ticking over and it looks pretty good, that system. It's got the rapid quick change on it. Someone's purchased a bigger fixed steady at some stage too, and those steadies look in really good condition. It's got the change of direction on the carriage itself, which makes that a really good feature. Right hand wheel. And yeah, tidy condition all the way around. Okay, we'll start at the tailstock. It's sliding and the lock's working well. And that's turning nicely and locking nicely as well. Like I said, the steadies are nice. Carriage is nice to operate, feels really good. Cross slide feels good. No play there. Compound slide feels really nice as well. And very little play there, so all that feels really good. And yes, that DRO is working well, so I'll drop that. Now the light. Yeah, halogen light's working. The coolant pump only runs on it when it's running, so I can't really show you the noise of that running. Alright, we'll start her up. Now it's got a wee fibre gear in there, and the gearbox change gears. One of those fibre gears has been damaged. We're just getting a price and availability on that at the moment. So we're just running that, and it's very lowest speed there. Feed shaft's ticking over, and those are the different speeds there for that feed shaft. And that's the direction, and that's going in and out nicely. It's got the oiler on this carriage, so I've just engaged that cross slide at the moment, which is heading that way, and engage the carriage feed, which is heading that way. And then if I push that, then it changes the direction, and now I've engaged the carriage and it's coming towards me, and engage the cross slide, and now it's going out. So it's quite a good feature and really nice to operate and engage that feed system on that. Okay, I'll engage that lead screw, so the lead screw's turning over now and going that way. And that's going in and out nicely, and I can change the direction on that. Bring that back towards me. So that's the lead screw, that feels good, and the feeds. Okay, that's 14 RPM at slowest speed. I'll take you through the range. 19, 26, 35. I'll take you to the next range. 48, 65, 88, 120, and next range. The gearbox is really nice and positive and direct to change gears on, so this is 190. 260, 350, 480, and I can show you that in reverse. Okay, next range, which is the fastest range here. Next one will be 650. It's got quite a big chuck on it at the moment. 880. Two more to go. 1200. Last one, 1600. So that's the gear range. It's got a little bit of noise in general, but as you do get up in the size, you do get a little bit of that as opposed to the smaller lathes. It goes in and out really nicely, and you know, the rest of this down here feels nice. The engagement feels nice, and that is pretty much most of it.